welcome to Foxtecc. Today, I'll be guiding you on where to find the world clock on your Apple Watch. Before we dive into the specifics, there are a few things you should know about your Apple Watch. The Apple Watch is a smartwatch, but it also performs all the essential functions of a regular watch, such as showing time, setting timers, and acting as a stopwatch. Apple has grouped these features as separate icons, but used a consistent orange color to indicate that these are the clock features. Among these features is the world clock. To find the world clock, go to the All Apps view on your Apple Watch. Look for the orange icon with a globe on it. This icon is part of a group of 4 icons that include the timer, stopwatch, alarm, and the world clock. Once you locate the globe icon, you can tap on it to access the world clock. Feel free to explore its functionality. It's quite intuitive, and you'll quickly understand how it works. Additionally, you can place the world clock as a complication on your watch face. Complications are the smart widgets located on your main watch or clock page, which is the first thing you see when you look at your wrist. Most watch faces support complications, and you can customize them to include the world clock. To do this, hold down on your watch face to enter customization mode, and then select the area where you want to add the world clock complication. This ensures that the world clock is always visible and easily accessible. Lastly, while there are third-party apps available in the App Store that offer world clock functionalities, the default world clock on your Apple Watch is usually more than sufficient for most users' needs. It's well integrated and works seamlessly with the other clock features. And that's how you find and use the world clock on your Apple Watch. By understanding the layout of your apps and utilizing complications, you can make sure the world clock is always at your fingertips. Thank you for watching this video on Foxtecc. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you guys later.